I'm going to do a quick video that's going to explain to you how to set your iPhone 17 up to do some really cool moonshots at night, low light level. It's actually pretty simple once you know how to do it. You will need a tripod, but I'll explain that here in a few. All right, on your iPhone 17, you're going to want to open settings. And once you're in settings, you're going to go down to your camera, and then you're going to click on camera. This is going to open the camera settings. You're going to want to scroll down, and once you scroll down and you see format, you're going to click on format. And then when that's open, I already have these chosen, but I'm going to shut them off for demonstration. You click on ProRes. Then if you scroll down a little further, you're going to find Apple ProRes, and you're going to turn that on. What this does is it allows you to select those different resolutions when you're in the camera app. So now if you go into your camera app, you open it up, you click on video, then in the top you'll see the log and HDR. Log is a little more washed out, as you can see here. HDR is kind of a more true black because it already has filters applied on it. This here is what it looks like outside at night, pointing at the moon. So you're going to go ahead and click on your resolution in there. You're going to turn log or HDR on. I'm going to do HDR first. Once you do that, you're going to want to zoom in pretty much as far as you can. You're going to go 24 times zoom. If you notice, up in the top left corner here, there's a little box, and that helps you to target where and what you're looking at. So you can see I can put the moon inside of that block, that square block. And then you're going to want to lower this light level all the way down. You're going to drag this little sun. Really, you want to click on that center box first to lock it, and then lower that center sun all the way down. Once you do that, you start getting a lot of detail, and you can see what it kind of looks like here. Here I'm going to record a quick video, and I'll show you what that video looks like here shortly. All right, so now I'm going to go back in. I'm going to change the resolution to log, and you're going to see how it's a little more gray. The background, the darks, the blacks aren't as black. So if you now lower this sun all the way down again, it basically starts to expose more detail. So I'm going to go ahead and record a log video for you, and I'll show you what that looks like, just native with no filters applied. So here is the HDR video that I took, and you can see it's kind of trying to apply the filters as it was recording. Also, you're going to see the log video here, a little more grayed out. And this is kind of zoomed in. Now I'm going to show you a previous video, and this is HDR, and you can see how you can see the detail. I'm going to zoom in. It gets a little more grainy, but you can still see great detail and great moon photos. Let's switch back to log. And then I'm going to go ahead, and you can zoom in and see that I don't have any filters applied to this, so that's a different discussion. Don't want to go into that. So that's really all you need to do in order to take photographs of the moon or video on your phone. Now, the reason I say use video is because you can get zoomed in, and you can use that HDR. And when you use that HDR and you zoom in, then you can take screenshots if you just want individual photos. I hope that gave you a little more instruction on how to set your iPhone 17 up to film or shoot moonshots. The reason I use video, as I said previously, is to do a screenshot of that video for the moon picture that you may want. It just makes it easier. The other thing is all of our content is typically RV and travel related, so this is a content creator piece. So I hope that this content creator piece helped out a little bit, and we try to do it for other RV channels, other RV content creators, because I want to make it as simple as possible, and I try to do videos on things that I learn, and I want them to be as simple as possible to set up and try and recreate. So hope that helped. If you do like it, check out our channel and subscribe. Thanks for watching.